What's going on, everybody? Cryptodoctorz.com here. Like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cryptodoctorz, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So today's topic is a very good one: government shutdown. Yeah, the government shutdown. It finally happened. Check out our YouTube channel. It finally happened. So most people are like, "What's a government shutdown?" Well, it's pretty much the president and the Democrats and Republicans can't come up with a budget for all the monies we owe. Just kick the can down the road. And there's more to it. I'm not going to go into the politics of it. So read upon it on Wikipedia and then look at the news. They're trying to end the government shutdown. It's not like last time they said they avoided a government shutdown. It was by Friday, the 11th hour, and then came Monday and everything was fine and dandy. But that's not the case. This time we are in government shutdown. So what does that mean for cryptocurrency? I was talking to my buddy about this, and I was thinking this would be a good thing for cryptocurrency to pop. A nice bounce would be a good thing. It's always Bitcoin versus cash, or cryptocurrencies versus the centralized banking system. So I was looking at my chart, and we have to stay above that 13,000 mark. Now, I know, let me show this right here, let me show you. There it goes, my secret chart. This is my secret chart, you guys. This is the only one I can look on to tell you more probability than all everybody else's charts at TradingView or any exchanges. This is the only one that I could look at because this is actually on the New York Stock Exchange. I like StockCharts.com. I've been using it for a long time for everything, and this is the only one I could use on my secret charting numbers and figures. I just didn't click on it and it shows up. I actually punch in numbers to bring some of the stuff up. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands and everything else. So this is the reason why I said we're going down, and I told everybody what we'd hit, and I told everybody we'd be, I didn't tell everybody we'd be here, but I said 11.7, so that's where we were before. So you can see how it bounced off that 11.4. See that line across here? We had, or 9.4, excuse me. It was 9,500. So we crossed that 50-day moving average. We almost got to the 100-day moving average, which would have been really scary because after, everybody would have been really freaked out about that. Because after that 9,400 level, we would see 65. Yeah, that would be a good wake-up call. I would love for that to happen. Remember, Bitcoin in January was 700. I know a lot of people just got into it. I bought it at 7,100. Bought and sold, and I'm in all kinds of different cryptocurrencies. My portfolio is big, on any kind of finances. So as long as we stay above that, you guys, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what to look for on this chart. This chart is always 100% right. We just got to take the human nature out of it. But we really got to break that. We really got to break 1604. We got to come up pretty high, but there's other numbers that we could break too, all these numbers over here we could break. So 13,000 looks really good, as long as we stay in that middle. I don't know what the middle is yet. I won't know until Monday. For what I'm looking at, you can see that the black line's not crossed over. If the black line crosses over, it's a good deal. We're still sideways. I think Monday this should maybe touch it or cross, hopefully. So all my indicators are saying sell, oversold. Bollinger Bands are kind of pinching. I like when they pinch. When they pinch, things break out, good or bad. Every time when they pinch, they break out. So this is the most accurate I can get on Bitcoin. All the other charts are just a guess. It was like their charting is 100% right because it was it's a bull market. So just things to look for. So this chart I know is very bad. So we can just see maybe another maybe 14,000 or 14,000 or 15,000 and come back down again. I still think everything's negative right now, but as long as it crossed that the 50 days, so that's pretty cool. So we got to come back up in here. But that was a good dip. See how it dips down, goes, dips down, goes. I'll probably keep doing the same thing. Dips down, goes, dips down, goes. But that's pretty cool. The government shutdown. They helped us out. Hope you guys bought before this. I bought some different ones too. I guess last week on a Friday, I was looking at this chart that I was looking at. I panicked and I told everybody, just be careful. I don't want anybody to get hurt. And sure enough, we hit those levels. I sold 75% of all my portions on that. and then I came back a little bit in. Actually, I left most of it out. I'm probably like 50% in now on different things. So just to show you guys, government shutdown's a good thing. Hope we hold. You know, it's cryptocurrency versus the US dollar. So you guys try to use your cryptocurrency too. Try to go to ATMs. Try to use all the cryptocurrencies you can to buy things as well. That'll help out too. So remember, this is not about so much making money. It's about using this cryptocurrency in the blockchain, which is awesome. There's all kinds of different cryptocurrencies to choose from to buy different things. So make sure you're doing your research. You're not just buying things. Look at your charts. Don't just buy things and you go down and you don't believe in the whole system, when there's two things. There's a money part and a blockchain part. All right, you guys, like, subscribe, check us out.